Seems all fluffy and peely.
Of course.
Hair flying.
Hours finishing the job. Like, what are you missing?
Bring dog part 3.
Well, the other person that, excuse me, had to put his dog down in November. Just got a new dog. Who was the other person?
Oh, that's your neighbor?
Well, the neighbor is Teddy.
Teddy.
We put down
Yeah.
in October. And then someone up near the schoolmaster, it was a little, not a Dalmatian or whatever, it was female though, and she developed breast cancer. And it put her down, she was only 6. I had to pick up another one for us.
I just can't do this. I'm too tired.
I'm too tired. No, we've been playing all day. We're tired.